Okay, staying here for the night. Here's the view from the roof. The dining hall is a rooftop. It's at the very, very top. And it's a local store down there. Gonna wash our dirty clothes, wash both our base layer bottoms. Solar panel, a hot water heater, hot water heater, and here's a shower upstairs, and there's a shower on each floor, so that's really good. All right, look at that, a sink. Right, and take a peek in the kitchen. Let's go in the kitchen. Oh, the kitchen is beautiful. Look at this. This is a really nice kitchen. We're staying at the Traveler's Guest House. They had a huge sign at the entrance to the village. This is nice. I'm quite impressed. I guess that's where. Okay, now let's go over to. It's so clean. Let's go into the. Okay, they got solar power connection going on. That's good. Outlets to charge. The last place that we stayed did not have any outlets for you to charge your phone or your electronic devices. Okay, this is beautiful. Hold on, I'm gonna make sure I capture this well. And they have a wood burning fireplace. So. And the fact that the structure is wood, that's really good. It's gonna keep us warm. Wow, this is. Next, I'm gonna go downstairs and show you our room with the attached bath. Total cost 200 rupees. 200 rupees. This is one of the nicer tea house / guest house. All right, let's go downstairs. Oh wow, check this out right here. So here's where we are. It's the Langtang Valley or Langtang Village. Okay, and they have a bunch of places for you to do recharge your electronic devices. So this is our host. Hi, you too. Namaste. Hi, babes.
Can you open my shampoo?
Yeah. I'm gonna hold on. Okay, hold on, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and attend to this here. Okay, we're back. Let's head downstairs. My girlfriend just needed me to open her shampoo. So there's a bathroom upstairs. I love that the dining hall is upstairs. Okay, let's go into the room. This is our room here. We got a bed. Got another bed here. Dresser. 2 windows. Outlet to charge. That's the view from the other bed. View. It's a bathroom, I'm going to show you that. Attached bath. 200 rupees. We have a light. There we go. A place to hang our jacket. And oh, very important, they actually have some sort of carpet on the floor, so that's different. And here's the bathroom with the light right there. And a window. Yeah, I really like this place. It's warm, wood paneling. Yeah, that's it for now. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this guest house. 200 rupees. In Langtang Valley. Safe travels. Peace.